Alright, buddy, what do you think about this thing?
Good.
You really like it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, and you think it's good for a birthday present or a Christmas present?
Christmas.
Alright, sounds good. Alright, guys, I'm going to save you the pain of me opening this box. But welcome to the Stunt car. This is an RC car. It's not a micro. It's actually pretty big. It's very durable. I've already played with it a little bit, but it is a fun toy. It's a stunt car. It also has like a smoke feature where it blows smoke, plays music, does all that stuff. It's crazy. I haven't quite seen one like this. Very durable. I've driven it off the edge, and I'll show you some footage of that. I'm gonna get some more footage for you. Comes with the remote. Comes with the car. Comes with 2 batteries, charger, and the Phillips. This requires 2 AA's, so that's what you'll need. And then these charge. You just charge them up. Plenty of run time. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I've already kind of played with it a little bit. Come in a couple different colors. I got the green one here. Got this off Amazon, so I'm gonna leave you a link. Got this for the grandkids here today. So we're gonna give it a shot. Let him run it. Do you like it? Is it good? Is this a good toy? How old are you?
7.
And this is a good toy? You'd like this for your birthday or Christmas? Drive it in the grass. Tumble. No problem. Very durable. Oh, you got the smoke going. And the music. Lights. That's what I like. Engage. Let's get a little different light pattern going. That, what do you think? There we go. I kind of like that one. Let's go. We better turn on some music. Let's get the music going. Oh yeah. Oh, let's get the smoke going too. Durable, no problems. I'm surprised how durable it is. It's not like a breaky plastic, so it's not something you have to worry about. This thing is easy to drive, super fun, you know. And plus, when you get it on the cement like that, on the cement, it you know, that's when you can do your stunts. Nice. Let's see when I lose control. Still got control easy. She's out there. Probably can't even see her. Like I said, he's super easy to control, guys. Grandkids are gonna love this. It's a perfect Christmas gift or birthday gift. Uh-oh.